Well, good morning to one and all present over here. Am I audible? Are you getting my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. While other participants can join for the class, just we will think over it, just we will revise it what we had discussed in the last lecture. So anyone can, or all of you guys, you can take tell one by one what we had discussed in the up to the last lecture. Yes. Yes.
About the comfort zone, sir,
Okay.
and
About the
the
zones
fear
we had
which we are,
discussed. Yes.
which we face while listening or speaking to English.
Very good. We talked much more about the language skills, that is four skills, LSRW. Apart from that, yes, anyone else?
We see some thoughts, sir, of great
Very good.
persons.
Well,
Zones we have learned.
very good. So at where we stopped our yesterday session or last session, on the same, I can say here on the point of attitude. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Just second, I'll present my the screen and then we will continue with the today's lecture. Is the screen visible to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very good. So as in yeah, last lecture only, we had discussed about attitude, what kinds of attitude we have or we required to get the success. If you wish to get the success and your attitude would be right. Anyway, what happened? I can say it is the way of your attitude would be positive. Anyway, what happened? There would be such kinds of negative attitudes would be there, and again there would be problem. So don't do like these things. If you would not
हो
get
तिला
the
ती नको वाटते दोन्ही तरी ते नको म्हण. हो,
with
चार
that,
मध्ये चार असं काय. मग हे तुला एक नको
I
दोन नको
request
तीन
you
नको
everyone to please mute
म्हणजे काय
yourself.
होतंय
Anyway, I can
माझं किती
mute all.
मोठं करा गाणं मोठं करा तिथून उभेच पडली. एवढं कशाला फक्त त्या दरवाजा पुन्हा बदल पुढच्या
Who is there?
सामने दोन दोन कपाट आहेत ती एक केलं की एक आहेत की तिचा काय विषय नाही तिथं आहे ना त्याचं नवीन कपडे नळाला सामान तिथं बसत वापरायला ती ऐकत नाही का बघा कुठलं जरी आणलं तरी ऐकत नाही कसं ऐकत नाही तसं म्हटलं असते आणि नाही कसं ते ऐकणारच नाही का फक्त
Just second. Who is there? Okay. So what happened if you are not taking care of from your side to mute your voice? Again, there will be problem to all of us. Anyway, I need to mute from my side, and there will be one-way communication. But what is the use of that communication if you are unable to communicate through the voice in the lecture? Then it may be difficult to understand each and everything. So as I am going to tell you, or in the last lecture, we had already discussed about the attitudes, what kinds of attitudes are required to fetch the success or to grab the success. Now, just we are going to focus what things are required from the industry side, because as I told you in the first lecture, if you wish to, get the certificate of the degree, along with that, if you wish to get the MNC offer letter. So that things are expected here, which the companies are required from your side. So first thing is their attitude. If your attitude is enough good in a positive manner, then there would not be any difficulties to understand, or there would not be any difficulties to grab the opportunity. So next slide is there in front of you. Integration of employability skills. If you wish to get or if you have been thinking that you would be employability skillful, then these things are expected here from the industry side. So first thing is their fundamental skills. As I can say that you are enough good in fundamental skills, even though I can ask you some questions, students can answer exactly and appropriately. So what kinds of fundamental skills would be there? If you could know the basic facts of mathematics, if you know the table of 9, table of 19, that is also best fundamental skills. If you could know the, even though if you have been operating the Marathi language or English language, how many vowel sounds are there, how many consonants are there in English language, like that in Marathi as well, how many vowel sounds are there, how many consonants are there, how that consonants and vowel sounds we need to use in a simple manner. So these things are expected here in the fundamental skills. Apart from that, what happened, do you know, I think so we are everyone, might be most of the students from our class would be from the farmer background, or family background is might be from the farmer. So we need to know that, or even though most of the students from the civil department would be here, and you could get the idea how to measure the land and all things. A simple question is there for you guys. So how much ars or guntas we can include it into 1 acre? Simple thing is there. बघा 1 एकरामध्ये किती गुंठे असतात हे जर आपल्याला सांगता आलं तर आय कॅन से दॅट इवन दो फॅक्च्युअली बिंग द टेक्निकल engineer, we need to know that. Anyway, what happened if you have father purchased some grass from the other's land, and if he asks you to go and measure the land and tell me that how much amount I need to provide, or I need to pay him or her?
40, sir.
Yes, sir.
40.
Yes, sir.
40, sir.
Very good.
40 gun.
So
40, sir.
40.
very good, very good. So that things are expected here, at least you to know about these things. Anyone can tell me how within 1 hour or within 1 gunta, how I can say how many square feet would be there? एका गुंठ्यामध्ये किती स्क्वेअर फूट असावं लागतात, किंवा किती?
1059.
33 by 33, sir.
1059 square foot.
Prerna, you are telling that 1059. Okay, we need to check once again. Exact. One participant told that 33 by 33 is it required? Exact, correct. But calculate that 33 by 33. Is it 1059 or is it 1089?
1089, sir.
Very good. So exact. I can say that. Prerna, we need to correct it. That 1089 square feet is required for 1 hour or 1 gunta. Understand? And
Okay, sir.
what's about 1 hectare?
100 guntas.
Very good. 100 hours or 100 guntas. That things are expected here, even though in fundamental or basic language, basic skills. I can ask you about the table of 19. How many participants are here from your class who can, loudly tell the table of 19? Even though we could learn first table of 1 to table of 20, 30, but now we are that much qualified or enough confident that we have been thinking that there is not requirement of that tables. But without table, we don't do anything in the engineering. You might have received such kinds of importance from engineering mathematics. So that fundamental skills are required. Even though what happened, the habit, I'm too much agree with you guys, because absolutely university is providing you the calci. Might be your class coordinator has asked you to purchase the calci to solve such kinds of problems. And after that, what happened, most of the students will not solve a single example without calci. If a teacher could ask us 4 multiple 5, everyone everyone can check in the calci only. So that things are not expected here in the fundamental skills. Basic things required here, 1 to table of 1 to 30 at least. square root and all things, whatever concepts are related to mathematics. Apart from that, whatever concepts are related to the science, the physics, chemistry, that things are also required here, because you are going to learn that things for division 1, for division for departmental things. Some of the chemistry would be there, some physics would be there. For basic things you should apply, you should know that things. As I told you, apart from that technical subject or science subject, English language, human beings also are in humanities, language of English, language of Marathi, language of Hindi, all things would be known to everyone. As I can easily ask you one question, because most of the around 99% participants from our class are from the Marathi background, and whose mother tongue, whose first language or mother tongue is Marathi. So anyone can tell me how many vowel sounds are there in Marathi language?
12.
20.
12. Good. Very few answers we have received. 12 vowel sounds are there in Marathi language. So tell me which are they? Again, next question will be there. Tell me which are the vowel sounds. You may feel that, sir.
In Marathi, sir?
In Marathi, okay. That I am asking in Marathi only. Okay. Excuse me, it would be confusion. Anyone can tell. Sangeeta, E02, you can tell. Good. So at least you know that what is the exact vowel sounds, and how many vowel sounds are there. How many participants from your class are agree with her, as she told that and aha are the vowel sounds, but she missed two vowel sounds. Which are they? And anyone can add that vowel sounds?
Sir, A and O.
That already she told in Marathi, that 12. But she missed two vowel sounds which are not there included by her. So please. So shall I read?
Sir,
A.
I would not be there. A, E, U, A, I, O, ow are the vowel sounds. Apart from that, two additional vowel sounds are there. If you could check that Uncle P, I can say in Marathi language. And,
Gna and Tr.
yeah, absolutely true. Ru and Lu, Ru Rushitsa and Lu. If Ru and Lu, these are two additional vowel sounds. And I can say in and aha are not vowels, they are the swaradis. म्हणजे स्वरादी आहेत, लक्षात घ्या ते vowels नाहीत, स्वर नाहीत. So that things are expected here to from you guys. Again, very basic things are there from English language as well, from Marathi language as well, from science, from everywhere. So fundamental, if you do have this total skills of fundamental, then there will not be any difficulty to achieve the employability skills. Understand? I hope this is clear. Now, next point is the technical skills. So, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yes, please.
Hello.
Yes, Harsh.
Sir, there are 14 vowels, total 14 vowels.
In Marathi language?
In Marathi language, sir. A and O are newly added, sir.
Okay. That things are also added there, might be if you have searched. But as per the, we learned from our Uncle P in Marathi language, I can say. And from that basic, 1-2 books are there, basic on the Marathi language only for the competitive examination. And from that I could get the information. These are the respective things. Even though additional things are there, it's open source, so it may be there. Very good. Good. So next I'm going to tell you that about the technical skills. Sir, how we can be able to enough good in technical skills? Now this is the time, right time to think about the technical, whatever you have been getting the things in your core branch or correlated subject. So that would be the part of technical skills. And from that you need to learn learn that things carefully. Don't learn that technical things for the sake of examination only. Anyway, what happened most of the times, do you know, most of the students think over that this is the only syllabus of the examination, even though most of the times teachers from Swiri would not be there, from the other institutes as well. This is the only syllabus and we need to learn that things only. Don't do like this, because you need to go in depth. Now you are in the first year. Even though if you could not understand the any technical issue or any technical point from your subject teacher, you need to raise the hand and ask politely. Most of the times what happen, even though our when we usually discuss with each other, our faculty members from the your branch in any meeting, what happened, most of the faculty members says that division E or any divisions students are not that much humble or that much polite. So we need to be polite. Why I am here to show you or to talk much more about you employability skills. To be polite is the part of also of the employability skills. If you too much polite, then things are expected here or accepted here. So while learning, while if you any doubt, any query, you can simple raise your hands. If your raised hands seen by the teacher, teacher can ask you question. Anyway, again, if you he is not responding you or she is not responding your question, you can ask. Even though in the lecture you could not get the time to clarify that things, because nowadays Zoom is allowed of the 45 minutes only. If apart from that, you can communicate through her through the telegram or ask through the permission for call him or her again. There would be chances of clarification, all things. But you should focus on technical skill perfection. So then and then only we would be able to achieve our employability skills. Understand? Now if I can say that here our class of E division, anyway, of first year, all divisions are combination of all classes or all the courses, all the programs. I can say program means branch and courses means subject. हे सगळ्याचं कॉम्बिनेशन आहे, लक्षात घ्या आपल्या क्लासमध्ये. मग याच्यामध्ये काय अपेक्षित आहे, तर सगळ्यांनी सिव्हिलचं काय शिकवतात किंवा जे तुमचे बेसिक सब्जेक्ट आहेत, की असं समजू नका की हा विषय मेकॅनिक्सचा असेल तर तो मेकॅनिकल वाल्यांसाठी आहे, सिव्हिलचा असेल तर सिव्हिल वाल्यांसाठी आहे. Every subject, as I told you in the first lecture, every subject is for you guys. So you need to take care. Not a single message would not be missed from the your side of the subject teacher. So if you do have any doubt, then you can ask in appropriately or in politely, I can say. Next thing is there, apart from technical communication skills, which we have been learning that things. If you wish to get an employability skills, it means that if you wish to achieve the success by getting the MNC offer letters, we need to focus on the communication. I could not say that in only English language. Most of the companies are here from Maharashtra. They can talk or they can conduct interview in Marathi language as well. Most of the companies are taking interview, which are the MNC companies are taking interview in English language. But your Marathi communication is also good, and even though polite, along with that your English communication would be polite. So try to understand that while communicating with the people, you need to use our sense of humor, I can say, instead of using common sense. And don't think that communication skills is only the simple way of orally communication. It is not part of that. Even though along with the oral communication, the communication skills included written communication as well. How to draft a message to your faculty member or your subject teacher, how to draft an email to your subject teacher, how to draft email to your HOD, head of the department, how to mail draft to your class coordinator. So each and everything, drafting email, drafting letter, drafting messages, everything we need to learn carefully. That's called communication skills. Even though what happened, if the student is saying that, sir, I required one thing, or I required extension for the paying fees, but if you could not able to write in appropriate manner through the letter mode or through the email mode, what would the use of your that degree? Understand? So while doing that things, you need to focus carefully. This is my request, and I'm here to promote you. I'm not going to teach all of anything to you guys, because this is communication skills, and I can say this is your subject, not mine, my subject. So whatever things are here in front of you, these are all are for you guys. So we need to learn that things carefully under the title of communication skills. Then and then only we can say we can achieve or we can grab the opportunity from the industry. Last point is there, or that skills is there, interpersonal skills. What is interpersonal skill? Why interpersonal skill is required? Most of the times what happen, we know that everything, how can talk, if you are enough good in communication, you can talk by standing in front of mirror, along with alone only you can talk, even though with your friend also you can talk. But problem is there, if the mob is there, if your class is there, if you are in interview session, in group discussion, if you do not have the skill of communication, that is called interpersonal communication. How you need to talk with your class coordinator, how you need to talk with your HR, that interviewer, all things are included into interpersonal skills. So in not only in terms of communication, but in terms of body language also. If even though we need to think over it that eyes plays major role in a communication. डोळे महत्वाचं काम करतात लक्षात communication मध्ये. Even then we need to learn in the body language or in the kinesics in the coming syllabus as well. Even though it's not included in syllabus, we need to learn that things also, how body language affects us or affects our communication. So if your eye contacts are properly there, if your facial expression is good, if you're somehow there is smile on your face, everything would be there, then we can say interpersonal communication, that sector would be fulfilled. Anyway, what happened, every time there would be in Marathi, if your face is not enough good, if your smile is not there on your face, so everyone will taunt you like that. Even though in Marathi language there are such kinds of proverbs, I'm not able to use that proverbs because it's abusing. So even though you know well that what kinds of proverbs are there, so interpersonal skills are also required for getting employability. Got it? I hope this is clear to everyone. Understand? Now, what things are expected here? More things are expected here from the company side. Anyone can unmute your mic and just read first thought. Yes, Samruddhi, go ahead. E46. Samruddhi, you can read the first slide, first thought. Okay, anyone else? Don't waste time.
So can I read?
Yes, please.
Employers are looking for right skills and talent, but it graduates, they are also looking for potential with the passion and enthusiasm to learn from experiences.
Very good. Who is the employer? Here, anyone can tell who is the employer? Employer means the person who needs the job or the person who gives the job. What is the meaning of employer?
Gives the
Very good.
person who gives the
jobs.
Very good. So employers are looking for right skills. कशा प्रकारचे त्यांना अपेक्षित असतात? The right skills and talent. नुसतंच right skills उपयोगाचे नाही तर talent पण असणं गरजेचं आहे. पण ह्या दोन्ही सोबत नुसतं ह्याला घेत नाहीत, लक्षात घ्या. If you could get the 10 out of 10 CGPA in your examination, university examination, and don't think that you will get selected in any company easily. Don't forget that things. Even though you are the highly talented, highly skilled person from your class, or I can say in top student from the class, but you will not get opportunity in any MNC company as well. If you do not have the potential and passion and enthusiasm to learn from experiences, I can say that. That's why the employers are looking for right skills and talent, but in graduates means who is going to complete the graduation, I can say this batch. Graduates नेहमी काय असतात तर जे रेग्युलर असतात, आणि बऱ्याच वेळा लक्षात घ्या, कुणाला संधी जास्त असतात तर जे पास आउट होताना जेवढ्या संधी मिळतात तेवढ्या विद्यार्थ्यांचा त्याचा जास्त फायदा होत असतो. लक्षात घ्या, बाहेर पडल्यानंतर एकदा कॅम्पस सोडून बाहेर गेल्यानंतर परत तुम्हाला संधी मिळेलच याच्याबद्दल फार साशंकता असते. अंडरस्टँड? So don't think so. Whenever you are in the college in the last year, you need to achieve at least 1 to 2 offer letters. Anyway, what happened if you could leave the class or this year, final year, after that you need to go for the door to door at the company. Even though that HR would not take the risk and call you inside as well. You need to share your thoughts. I can say share your resume to that security only. No one will entertain you at the company position. So that's why you need to focus here on the same manner. And in graduates, they are also looking for potential. तुमच्याकडे काय potential आहे, with the passion, how you are passionate about the things, and enthusiasm to learn from experiences. बघा, लाईफ मध्ये चुकतं, सगळ्यांचं चुकत असतं, but how much they are trying, I can say that. Even though everyone is here unknown for the communication skills, even though your communication is that much good in Marathi, most of the students can, your class, they can talk in Marathi, I can say fluently, but what's about in English? Again, they need to learn. But enthusiasm is required for to learn from the experiences. Now I commit the mistake while communicating. As I told you, while technically operating the technical system of Zoom, at the first lecture, you might have got the experience from my side also. I was also not comfortable in the first lecture because about the Zoom setup and all things and about new students and everyone. But now I'm feeling safe. Why? Because I learned from the experiences. If I could do these things, if I could do that things, I could get the idea how to handle the or how to tackle these things. Just before in this slide also, you can take one my experience here only. As one of the students sound was unmuted and we were disturbing, but I tried to find that how I can mute to all people. I couldn't get that opportunity. So afterwards, I can ask to my one of the technical family member or friends, and then I could get the chance to learn how can I mute to all at a time. Get it? So we need to be enthusiasm to learn from the experiences. Understand? So
hi.
now you are taking my exams or what? Again, most of the few students are unmuting their mic and telling the same. Dipali, we should talk something.
No, sir.
Okay, so very good. So next one thought is there again. Graduates with learning attitudes and exploratory minds, constant thrust for making positive difference are chosen. What things are expected here? Graduates who can face global challenges are required. आणि सगळ्यात महत्वाचं काय तर तुमचा ऍटिट्यूड मध्ये लर्निंग ऍटिट्यूड महत्वाचं आहे. लक्षात घ्या, भले तुम्हाला येत नसावं, मग हे कसं लर्निंग ऍटिट्यूड तुम्ही इंडस्ट्रीवाल्यांना फोर्स करणार आहात किंवा त्यांना सांगणार आहात. So simple question is there. You can ask if your interview is going on and at the end that HR ask you, do you have any question for me? असं विचारल्यानंतर तुम्ही त्यांना असं विचारणार आहे का, how much salary you are going to pay? अशा प्रकारचा क्वेश्चन चालणार आहे का? नाही चालणार. Then what kinds of question you need to ask? You need to ask if any question, difficult question was there asked by the HR, and if you are unable to give the answer of the same question, you need to ask that question. Sir, exactly I didn't know that answer of the same question. Would I get that answer of the same question? त्यातनं काय होतं बघा, तुमचा इंटरव्ह्यू जरी फेल गेला असला किंवा फ्लॉप चाललेला असला तरी पण बऱ्याच वेळा काय संधी मिळते तर that HR can think over it, that situation. He has the learning attitude, so he would be or she would be the capable to grab the opportunity from that company. So your attitude would be learning and always and all the time. Got it? Good. Now I can request you, because now last 5 minutes are there, you can mark your roll number through the chat box. If you have marked already, don't mark again and again. these things are also required to learn or get the job at any company or the employability skills. Already we had discussed about effective communication skills in written and verbal, empathic listening as well. I told you how to be a passive listener, active listener, or selective listener. Every time you should be active listener. Body language, as I told you, these things are also required for the getting opportunity for the MNC company. So body language is also required. How to face, I can say that eyes are the windows of soul, face is the mirror of the mind. मनात काय चाललंय ते चेहऱ्यावर दिसत असतं आणि आत्मा काय म्हणतोय हे कुठं दिसतं तर तुमच्या डोळ्यामध्ये दिसत असं लक्षात घ्या. So two proverbs are there. Eyes are the windows of the soul and face is the mirror of the mind. That things are also required there. Now we need to think over it that we need to appropriately use the body language, gestures, postures, facial expressions. I can say that your way of talking, hand movement, gestures, that things are also required to communicate. Next, attitude. As we had talked much more about the attitude, your attitude will be positive enough. Next point is that professional skills. So academic knowledge is also required. If you wish to be that employable people, then academic skills are also required. Academic knowledge is also required. Technical and functional skills are also required. Creativity and innovation is also required. Problem solving the ability also required for getting the employability. So that things you need to apply from here onwards, from the first year only. Last point is the employability skills. Yes, is there in doubt? Any problem? Reliability, integrity, teamwork, social ethics, motivation, and willingness to learn. That employability skills are required. Reliability, integrity, teamwork. So again, you need to work with the team, even though your class now physically is not going on. Might be we received a good news of the opening the classes or colleges from the 15th of February physically. But what is the exact criteria? What is the exact structure? We don't know exact will start or not. But when it start, we need to take that your group, your project group members, teamwork should be there. Social ethics, whatever you might have learned, or I don't know exactly, you could get the opportunity to learn about the मूल्य शिक्षण in your primary schools. मूल्य शिक्षण सुद्धा महत्वाचे लक्षात घ्या. तसेच आता सोशल इथिक्स त्याच गोष्टी आहेत. तुम्हाला आणखी काही विषय पण आहेत, प्रोफेशनल एथिक्स, ह्युमन व्हॅल्यूज आहे, किंवा आणखी एक नवीन एक विषय ऍडिशनली आलेला आहात, तर त्या अशा गोष्टी आपल्याला त्यातून शिकायला मिळतील. मोटिवेशन, you need to always motivate to everyone. Yourself also, so self motivation is also required to do or things appropriately, and willingness to learn everywhere, even though at the age of 80, even the age of the 90, very like I can say that I can give the example of Joe Biden. At the what age he could get the opportunity to be president of USA. So every time you should have that skill of learning ability. Now simple thought is there: be aware of false knowledge, it's more dangerous than ignorance. So try to understand that. चुकीचं घेऊ नका, किंवा एकतर दुर्लक्ष केलं तरी चालेल, पण चुकीचं नॉलेज घेऊ नका. So that things are expected here from our side. What are the challenges? Actually we could have 2 minutes last. So psychological barriers is there. सर मग बऱ्याच वेळा सर म्हणतात, सरांनी सांगून गेले की असं करा तसं करा, पण सायकोलॉजिकल बॅरियर सगळ्यांच्या मनामध्ये आहे की सर असं केलं तर काय होतंय, होऊ शकतं का असं कम्युनिकेशन इम्प्रुव्हमेंट, किंवा आणखी काही प्रॉब्लेम आहेत ते अशा प्रकारचे जाऊ शकतात का. वी नीड टू थिंक ऑर इट. कमिटमेंट अँड मोटिवेशन, बघा स्वतःची कमिटमेंट ते पाळलं पाहिजे, आणि तर सेल्फ मोटिवेशन सुद्धा राहिलं पाहिजे, किंवा दुसऱ्याबरोबर दिलेली कमिटमेंट सुद्धा फॉलो करायला पाहिजेत. ह्या चॅलेंजेस आहेत आपल्या समोरच्या. नेक्स्ट आहे फंडामेंटल कन्सेप्ट, जे आपल्या समोर आता मी सांगितलं की बेसिक फंडामेंटल्स काय रिक्वायर्ड आहेत, तर ते सुद्धा आपल्याकडे असणं अपेक्षित आहे. Second last, communication skills, already I can say that. And last one, aptitude and analytical skills. As I can say that you are too much lucky that in the next year, second year, you could get the opportunity of learning aptitude skills for 2 or 3 hours per week, without any cost or without any charges. That things about the aptitude and analytical skills. I hope this is clear to everyone. Now about the communication, we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you so much. If any doubt is there, any problem is there, you can ask me. If any doubt is there, any problem is there, you can ask me.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
thank you so much. If you have marked your
No,
roll
sir.
number, we will
No,
stop
sir.
here. We will stop here. Think over